Want to turn your yard into a buzzing, fluttering paradise? Did you know that many pollinator species, including bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds, are in serious decline? But you can help, right from your backyard. In this video, I'll show you how to design a native plant garden that not only looks amazing, but becomes a safe haven for pollinators. We'll cover why native plants matter, key design tips for supporting bees and butterflies, and the best native plants to include in your pollinator garden. Let's get started. Non-native plants often lack the nectar, pollen, and habitat that local pollinators evolved with. Some popular landscaping plants like turfgrass or exotic flowers might look nice but are basically food deserts for pollinators. Studies show native plants can support up to 35 times more native insects compared to non-natives, according to Talamy at the University of Delaware. Native bees, butterflies, and other insects are specially adapted to feed from and pollinate local plant species. Monarch butterflies, for example, require milkweed to reproduce. No milkweed, no monarchs. Supporting pollinators helps maintain biodiversity and improves food production in nearby farms and gardens. Include a variety of plants that bloom across spring, summer, and fall to provide continuous food. Plant in clusters or drifts rather than single specimens. It makes it easier for pollinators to locate flowers. Combine plants of different heights, ground covers, wildflowers, shrubs, and small trees to provide shelter and foraging options. Incorporate bare patches of soil or dead wood for ground nesting bees and overwintering sites. Avoid pesticides and herbicides. Even so-called natural sprays can harm pollinators. Instead, practice organic gardening techniques and accept some pest presence as part of a healthy ecosystem. A shallow water source with stones for landing can be a lifeline for butterflies and bees, especially in hot months. Alright, let's dive into some top native plants for pollinators broken down by region. In the eastern United States, milkweed, also known as Asclepias, really stands out as essential for monarch caterpillars. Bee balm, or monarda, is another favorite, absolutely loved by bees and hummingbirds. And then there's purple coneflower, Echinacea purpurea, which provides nectar and later on seeds for birds. Now, if you're out west, California poppy is a great choice, providing nectar for native bees. Yarrow, or Achillea millefolium, supports a variety of butterflies, and penstemon is super popular with hummingbirds and those long-tongued bees. For folks in the central U.S., the Prairie State's blazing star, or lietris, attracts monarchs and swallowtails. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta, is easy to grow and excellent for bees. Prairie clover is another good one. It fixes nitrogen and feeds native bees. Just remember, it's always a good idea to check with your local extension office or native plant society to find out which species are best for your specific area. And hey, planting native grasses like little bluestem can also offer some great habitat benefits. By planting native, you're creating a life-saving sanctuary for pollinators and honestly making your garden way more vibrant and dynamic. If you're ready to start your own pollinator paradise, go ahead and hit that like button and share in the comments what native plants you're excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense, nature-friendly gardening tips. See you in the next one.